Gave my interior design personality test to my 18-year-old football playing son, and this is the result that came up. And I posted a video about it last night just because I was so excited about it, not realizing that the video would totally blow up and everybody would be mad at me for not having the link ready. But guess what? The link is now available and you can go to my bio. It's in my Stan store and the link to the test is there. And also, if you want more information about the test and how exactly it works, there's also a guide that you can purchase, and it's a pre-order for a finished guide. The one you can get right now is text only, but the finished guide will have lots of pictures and room by room breakdowns on how you can use your test results for actually improving your interior design work. My sister took the test and this was her result, and she said that it was so helpful because she just bought a house and she didn't know how she was going to decorate, and she was able to Google her interior design matching style, and there's multiple styles that could match your profile, not just one, but one of the ones that matched hers was this transitional style. And she went to go look at flooring, and because she knew what her style was, she knew that having a little bit of mid-tone floors would work in her house, and she was really excited that she didn't have to figure that out. So yeah, go take the test, and I suggest getting the style that is listed in there and Googling it, because sometimes the pictures aren't going to have the colors that you prefer. They're just the ones that I could best find to represent the style, but not maybe the exact colors that you like. And there are 3 styles in there where I'm not sure I completely nailed. So if it doesn't match and you don't think it's accurate, let me know what style you are, and I'm going to see if it's one of those 3 styles, and I might change what the results are for that test. Follow my page because I will be posting more information about how this test works and showing you examples of all the different personality profiles.